Have you ever noticed when someone disappears and no one else remembers them? Last winter, I used to hear my neighbor every night, coughing through the thin walls. One night, the coughing just stopped. The next morning, their house was empty. I asked around, but nobody even remembered who lived there. I even found old photos with them in it. But when I looked again, they were gone. Sometimes, late at night, I swear I still hear that cough behind my wall. But my apartment doesn't even share a wall.